In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Zoho Books. Let's get started, shall we? Zoho Books is a comprehensive cloud accounting software that helps manage your finances efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner looking to keep track of company finances or an individual taking charge of your personal budget, logging into Zoho Books is your first step. Here's how you can do it easily and quickly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books homepage by typing in the URL www.zoho.com/books. Once the page has loaded, you'll find yourself greeted by Zoho's sleek and professional interface. This is your gateway to all the intuitive accounting tools Zoho has to offer. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice there's a Sign In option waiting for you. Click on it. This will lead you to the login page where you can securely access your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your registered email address or mobile number. This is the same email or number you used when you first created your Zoho Books account. After entering this information, it's time to input your password. Make sure this is the correct and most recent password for your account. A quick tip: if you've recently changed your password, double-check your records to avoid any login errors. After you've entered both your email or mobile number and password correctly, the next step is straightforward. Click the Sign In button. This won't take long. Shortly after, you'll be granted access to your Zoho Books dashboard, where you can start managing your finances right away. Remember, if at any point you encounter login issues, like forgetting your password, there are options available right on the login page to help you recover your account. Simply select Forgot Password and follow the instructions provided to reset it. It's a security measure designed to keep your financial information safe while ensuring you're back up and running without any hassle. And that's it. Logging into Zoho Books is as simple as following these steps, giving you easy access to powerful tools that simplify accounting and financial management. Once you're in, you can explore features such as invoicing, expense tracking, inventory management, and more. And just like that, you're all set to take control of your finances with Zoho Books. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy accounting!